Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another XDC Network video, and guys, XDC Network has been on fire in 2023. We're going to be looking at that in detail. So it's going to be an interesting video. Do watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins. You guys can see which coins we usually discuss. We discuss these as well as other potential gems as well. So if you're interested, then do subscribe for regular videos. Now, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price of XDC network at the time of the recording, guys. One XDC is priced at around $0.04839 at the moment, and it is down 0.52% for the day. If you look at the monthly chart, guys, it is down 9.72%. And if you look at the yearly chart, guys, it is up 96.05%. It went from 0.02602 all the way to 0.089, 0.90 almost. And since that time, it has come down, and it is in a price discovery mode over here. And in my opinion, it's going to be having its price discovery, then rallying on, and I think going towards this resistance over here, 0.066, then 0.09, because even at dollar 671 million, XDC network is extremely undervalued. Like I've told you guys, it is disrupting trillions of dollars of markets, guys. Global trade finance being the layer one, projects being built on top of it. Its use case being utilized by a lot of these huge firms and payment institutes. So it has a great future up ahead of it. So, guys, why has XDC Network been on fire? As the title suggests, guys, I've brought for you a post over here. Let me show you guys. Yeah, where is it? Where is it? Okay, so I think it was on X. Let me show you guys. XDC Network, yeah. So, yeah, this is it, guys. This is their pinned post 2023, a transformative year for XDC Network. This year brought key milestones in trade finance, regulation, and ecosystem growth. Guys, this is a really interesting article, and XDC Network in 2023 in a nutshell. Check this out 2023 XDC Network's most transformational year yet. This has been posted on December 14th, 2023. So let me show you guys. We're going to be going through this. We're skimming through this. You guys can read this in detail yourselves as well. From global advancements in digitalization and real-world asset tokenization to an upsurge in development activity, the XDC network benefited from a fruitful 2023, guys. So, what has it been up to, guys? First and foremost, real world asset tokenization is in the spotlight on XDC network, guys. Real world asset tokenization is the new toy, the new keyword in the world of crypto, in the world of finance, in the world of payments and everything, in the world of investment, basically. Guys, XDC network aims to get a piece of the pie by tokenizing various real world assets. So check this out. Tokenized US Treasury bonds and private credit led RWA in 2023 and have exceeded $1.3 billion in value thus far. TradeTech US Treasury token. Guys, what is TradeTech? Let me show you guys. TradeTech is a UK-based private debt and real-world asset marketplace. On Tuesday, this is an old piece which I've brought for you guys. It's on CoinDesk. It basically rolled out a tokenized US Treasury offering on the Layer 1 blockchain XDC network, the firm basically said, obviously. So, yeah, in this article as well, they've talked about it that TradeTech's US Treasury token, USTY, that launched via their yield tech subsidiary on the XDC network in August, gives investors exposure to a multi-billion-dollar, highly liquid ETF that is indexed to short-term US government bonds. So, XDC network is being utilized by these great companies, these financial powerhouses, The tokens are issued through digital securities provider Securitize. So how are the tokens provided? They are utilized. They are provided by Securitize, and these are the ones. These are platforms that are highly regulated. They are compliant. They know the drill of what they're doing, the legal intricacies. So check this out. What I'm talking about is check this out. They've provided tokens through the SEC compliant securitized platform. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. These platforms, they are compliant, they're SEC compliant. SEC, so the XDC network is basically safe due to these compliance, guys. RWAs are playing an increasing role in traditional finance adoption of blockchain technology, and XDC ecosystem projects like Comtech Gold, guys. Comtech Gold is digitalizing, tokenizing real world gold, guys, Creable Gold, and they've also collaborated with Globiance as well. I've talked there as well in my Globiance video. So they offer tokenized real world assets to their business models. Check this out. RWAs are an object lesson in the genius and power of the blockchain. True. Trade finance and XDC network were big victors this year. So we talked about tokenization. The second element over here is the trade finance and XDC network. Both they have been winners over here with the implementation of the UK Electronic Trade Documents Act 2023, which we've discussed. In September, the conversion of burdensome paper documentation to an electronic form is showing early signs of adoption. So UK basically deals with 60% of the world's trading corridors. They utilize British law. When Britain has given green signal regarding electronic trade documents, guys, via their Acts of 2023, this gives green signal to the adoption of electronic format of documentation. That is great news for XDC network fans, XDC network investors, and XDC network in general. This significant milestone will enable much shorter trade times, so that is awesome. So yeah, Trust, for example, is an electronic documentation platform that connects governments and businesses through globally accepted trade standards, guys. XDC Network became one of only 3 blockchains to fully integrate with Trade Trust this year. So check this out, guys. XDC Network is rubbing shoulder with these awesome juggernauts, basically, of finance, of global trade finance, I mean. So yeah, speaking of juggernauts, guys, XDC Network continues to lead in the trade finance space, recognized by International Chamber of Commerce and World Trade Organization. Guys, World Trade Organization is a backbone, the cornerstone, a linchpin of the global order, global financial order. Given birth at the Bretton Woods Conference in 1944, in the midst of the World War II, this is basically the backbone of the new financial standard. And rubbing shoulders with these huge organizations, that is, in my opinion, huge, guys. XDC Network's TradeFinex platform is set to aggregate smart contract-based trade finance assets for alternative asset investors, helping to shrink $3.5 trillion trade finance gap, guys. So, what was the market cap again? $671 million approximately, and fully diluted 1.8 billion. What is it tapping into? This is only the surface, scratching the surface, guys. This is only the trade finance gap that is going to be shrinking. But as the market expands, guys, this has the potential to become huge, guys. The pilot program converted a paper bill of lading to an EBL following the new UK EBL law. So bills of lading laws are also evolving, guys. Furthermore, regulatory strides were significant in 2023. This means that regulations are now have become a reality. This year was the EU's markets in crypto assets legislation. European Union is also trying to regulate crypto. Check this out. EU recognizes how crypto tokens function as legitimate utility assets and investment vehicles, signaling the EU's confidence in the promise of blockchain technology. Guys, this is significant, and players like XDC Network are trying to connect and bridge that gap between the traditional world and the blockchain world, the crypto world, basically. These projects like XDC Network, they are necessary. They are the bridges. They're trying to negotiate with these players and trying to make this a win-win situation for both the worlds, for the TradeFi, for the blockchain, for the crypto enthusiasts. So MiCA signed into law on May 31st, 2023. Digital Negotiable Instruments Initiative embraces regulatory clarity in its mission to digitize negotiable trade instruments. So these are all the stuff that has furthered regulation. Xinfin submitted a call for evidence to the UK's Parliament in January 2023 as part of the Electronic Trade Documents Act. XDC Trade Network positions itself as a core technology provider compliant with MLETR. So, guys, what is MLETR? It is the model law on electronic transferable records, guys. This is not merely just a random concept, guys. It is backed by United Nations Commission on International Trade Law, guys. It has been approved in 2017. For what is the purpose? What does it mean, basically? The model law on electronic transferable records aims to enable the legal use of electronic transferable records both domestically and across borders. So the use of electronic transferable record at an official level, guys. And who benefits from this? Yours truly, XDC Network, guys. Check this out. Billy Sabel, Executive Director, XDC Foundation, with Sarah Green, Law Commission of England and Wales. I mean, XDC Network is one of the most safest bets out there, in my opinion. Do your own due diligence, not financial advisor, as the motto goes. Japan revised its Payment Services Act last year, and I've made a video as well that XDC is becoming is taking over Japan basically. Notably, Circle and SPI Holdings signed a memorandum of understanding in November 2023 that facilitates the adoption of the USDC stablecoin in Japan, further emphasizing its commitment to a Web3 economy. XDC Network is well positioned to offer utility through Japan and across other progressive digital asset environments. SBI VC partners with Xinfin and adds support for the XDC network. SBI VC works to support and create awareness for the XDC ecosystem, guys. It is big in Japan. It is big in Singapore. The Monetary Authority of Singapore seeks to strengthen its digital payment token regulations for service providers. Basically, guys, XDC network is taking over the globe. Let me show you guys this heat map. Where is it? I had seen a picture over here. If I can get it. Yeah, the global picture. The global picture. I think it was in another article. Yeah, I beg your pardon. Anyways, so basically XDC network, what has it done more in 2023? Developer growth, hackathons, and XDC surging network effect has happened in 2023. There, 2023 brought a new and deliberate focus that accelerated development of the XDC protocol on both the consensus and application layers, guys. That is awesome. Over a dozen hackathons created an environment where more than 350 teams with over 1,000 contestants competed for grants to build on the network. XDC Network received the highest percentage of applications amongst all participating blockchains, guys, at Consensus, Web3athon, and ETH Toronto. What kind of a creative name is this? I mean, Web3athon. Like, yeah. Sounds cool, right? So yeah, XDC developer growth, 14K plus total smart contracts, 350 plus average monthly commits, 360 plus global hackathon submissions, 2K plus XDC.developer portal participants. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Integrations and ecosystem growth excelled in on XDC network in 2023. Guys, it got integrated with a lot of these platforms who now utilize XDC networks use case. They're integrated in these networks. ANKR offers developer access to a global network of professionally managed nodes via, I think, their RPC initiative. If I'm not wrong, it was called RPC. The risk analysis platform Elliptic provides industry-leading on-chain compliance solutions. So basically, XDC Network is integrated with these platforms, guys. Securitize, like we talked about, sets the standard for tokenizing digital asset securities, and it is SEC compliant. Coins.ph provides fast and efficient blockchain enables cross-border transfer and remittance transactions for its 18 million customers. And here you have it, guys. XDC Network is in the midst of them all. XDC Network exposure extends in various ways. It has increased international market exposure. Yeah, like we talked about, going to Tokyo, and increasing its exposure over there. SBI VC Trade Exchange, noting the influence XDC Network brings to the trade finance sector. Upgraded XDC.org website, guys, the upgraded website which we discussed about as well in a video that they've updated it. Social media fosters awareness for the XDC Network's usage and utility. So what do they aim for 2024 and beyond, guys? Obviously, increase their use case, their agendas further, and uh, go and basically take over the globe. That is their agenda for 2024, like taking over the world, like it's a noble cause, right? XDC 2023 milestones. Check this out: ecosystem growth, SBI VC trade, Gotham, SBI subsidiary. Okay, so battery. So okay, RWA XYC. Okay, global ecosystem initiatives, Nexus, Alchemy Pay, Bitpanda. XDC Network hosts the US Treasury backed security. X followers up 82%. First ever paper bill of lading converted to EBL through Trade Trust and XDC Trust Network. Guys, XDC Network is doing a lot, and like I told you guys, it has been on fire on in 2023 and looking to be fire in 2024 as well. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of these other coins, make sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe as well for regular videos. Until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.